So, okay, so there we go. There's the question. Yeah, it just, I know it seems like there should be more to do here. All they're wanting you to do is simply take that number and type it in. 19,850. They're just saying, what's the number in this problem? That's all they're doing. Nothing more to it than that. So this, you'll fly through this stuff. The chapter 1 it will be easy for you, for most of you. So, loses 2,500. They want you to type in negative 2,500. Wins, that's just regular, positive, normal 4,500. That's all they're doing. Loses is negative. This is number 4, question number 4 up here. That's all they want on that. Loses is negative, wins is positive, normal. That's all they want. Okay, so they want me to take 9 halves and to put it somewhere on the number line. Well, how do you do that? How do you know, like, where 9 halves? They want you to, basically, you grab this dot with your mouse and you move it to where 9 halves should be on the number line. Well, how do you know where 9 halves should be?
You change the
Yeah, I would just use my calculator and divide it. I would simply go 9 divided by 2 on the calculator, and it'll tell you 4.5. And you all know where 4.5 goes, right?
And you can still
right.
turn it into a mixed number.
Or mixed number. You could turn it into mixed number. If you want to do longhand, long division, 2 goes into 9 4 times, remainder 1, that's 4.5. That's how you turn into a mixed number. Either way, 4.5, 4.5, same thing. It goes right there in the middle between 4 and 5. As you grab it with your mouse and move it, it'll jump from half mark to half mark. You'll see. It'll be real natural. And you end up right there at 4.5. Is that good? Just divide them on your calculator or long divide by hand and make it a mixed number. Let's see. Okay. So 18 fifths. So take 18. It wants you to go to decimal. So I would just use my calculator. You can do it by hand if you want to. Just 18 divided by 5 on your calculator. You will get 3 and 0.6, I believe. 3.6. You guys have a calculator? That's, I believe, what it is. Just divide it on your calculator to get 3.6, and that's the answer they want. Just type in 3.6. It says round to the hundredths, but this decimal doesn't even go to the hundredths, so we'll just leave it at 3.6. I'm assuming they'll take the answer 3.6, and they don't want 3.6 out. Okay, so minus 15, 18. They want us to put like a greater than or a less than symbol in between. Now, do you know which way the symbol goes and how that all works? The symbol has a small side and a wide mouth side. So whatever, let me make them a little bigger here. Whatever is on the small side is the smaller number. Whatever's on the wide side is the bigger number. So here the bigger number would be this side and the small number is that side. Right? That's how that symbol works. It's got a narrow side and a wide side. A narrow side and a wide side. The small thing goes on the small side, the big thing goes on the big side. So, which one of these numbers is bigger?
18.
The 18. So he gets the wide side, doesn't he? Like that. That's all they want. It's the symbol that way. Okay, so minus 19, minus 3. Which way does the symbol go? Well, yeah, think about the number line. Here's 0, let's say, and positive 1, positive 2. Here's the negative numbers this way, right? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Negative 19 is way down there, isn't it? So here's negative 3, negative 19. Yeah, so which one's really bigger?
Negative 3.
Yeah. Think about financially, right? What if this is your bank account? You been negative? I've been there. I got 5 kids. I almost lived there. College. You're killing me. So negative is in debt. So which one's a better financial situation? $3 in debt?
3.
Or $19 in debt? Yeah, this is the bigger number. So bigger means further to the right, doesn't it? So that's the bigger, that gets the wide side. Just like that. Right? Is that good on that? So then minus 3 is technically the bigger. It's less negative. So you get minus 10.74 and minus 1.05. Okay, so think about money. They're both negative. They're both debt, right? Here they're $1.05 in debt or you're $10.74 in debt. Which one's a better financial situation? being only $1.05 in debt. That's better. So that gets the wide side, doesn't it? The bigger one, the better one, gets the wide side. It's the bigger. So fractions. Do you like fractions? I find most don't prefer fractions. So they want us to look at these and say which one's bigger or smaller. You know what I'm going to, because fractions are difficult, you know what I'm going to suggest doing on this question? Change those fractions to decimals. Yeah, just divide them on your calculator. So just take 1 divided by 2. Don't worry about the negative. We know it's negative. Just go 1 divided by 2 in your calculator. You probably already know, 0.5. And this one, 4 divided by 10 in your calculator, which is 0.4. So just change them both to decimals. Now, this is 40 cents, 50 cents, both negative though. So they're both in debt. So which one's a better financial situation? Yeah, 40 cents is less in debt than 50 cents. So that's the wide side. Good, just change them to decimals. All right. Okay, so we have 18. So we have that, and what they want us to do is to write the inequality a different way with the same meaning. So I'll write same as. So how can I rewrite that so it looks different but still means the same thing? Yeah, you just turn the entire thing around, including the symbol in the middle, right? Just flip the entire thing. Put the T here, the 18 there, and the symbol turns as well. That's the same. That's saying the same truth as the original statement, isn't it? In both cases, the 18 is the bigger one. The 18 is on the wide side. See how the original one, 18 is the wide side. So in both cases, it's saying 18 is the bigger one, isn't it? 18 is on the wide side. Both of them are saying 18 is bigger than T. I say that because sometimes I'll run into students and they'll say, they'll think that you always have to read inequality statements from left to right. You don't. You can read it either way. So some students will go, okay, this means 18 is greater than T. That's true. That's true. But you could also start with a T if you want. It means T is what? Less, because he's on the narrow side, than 18. That's the same truth, right? So I'm older than my brother. If I say I'm older than my brother, or I say my brother is younger than me, same truth either way. That's what we're doing. This thing, T is less than, he's on the narrow side, 18, but you can start on the right. 18 is bigger than, wide side, 18. T. I just messed it up there at the end. But you know, it's the same either way, isn't it? Left to right or right to left, it doesn't matter. What matters is who's on the wide side. That's the bigger one, whichever side that is. So 24. Those bars, those straight bars, mean absolute value. Do you remember? That's something you've seen before? Mm-hmm. What are those straight bars, absolute value? What do they do to that number in between them? They make it positive. They simply make it positive. If it already was positive, they just leave it alone. If it's negative, they make it positive. And then after they do their job, they vanish. So in other words, they're going to make it regular. You can put a plus sign if you want to. It's not needed. It means plus if you don't put anything. Just regular, positive, 9/14. No more bars, though. They're out of there after they do their job. They're like a worker. They do their job, and then they're gone. So, because a common mistake is I'll see students try to type into Math Excel this. They'll go, okay, get rid of the sign, and type that. Math Excel will go, no, because it doesn't want the signs there anymore. So after they make it positive, they vanish. What's that?
How do we do the fraction?
You just leave it like that.
Oh, yeah, they're fine with the fraction. See how this? Yeah, look at the blue line. Yeah, good question. The blue line will always tell you the type of answer they want. They said simplified fractions okay.
Okay, but how would you enter it?
Just literally type in 9. Oh, I know what you mean. Yeah, let me. That one, absolute 7. You might think, well, do nothing. It's just that, well, yeah, but you got to get rid of the symbols, huh? Mm-hmm. So it's just a straight 7, no more. So remember, when they do their job, in this case, they do nothing because it already was positive. But then they vanish. Again, you want them out of there when you're done. Just regular 7. On that. Okay.